Let y equal to f of x be any function. Any function, and y equal to phi of t and x equal to psi of t be the parametric representation, be the parametric representation of y equal to f of x. Okay. Now, so y is a function of x and x is a function of t. So we have to use chain rule to generate the derivative with respect to x. So dy over dx, that will be our dy dt times dt dx. This is our equation. Let's define as equation number 1. Okay, now let's move on to the next page. So we have y is our phi of t and x is our psi of t. That means dx dt is our psi dash of t, and dy dt, that is our phi dash of t. Okay, no? So dt dx will become our 1 over psi dash of t. Now let's move on to the next part. So you have to find dy over dx, that is our dy dt times, sorry, not d, it is dt, dy dt into dt dx. So dy dt is our phi dash of t divided by 1 by psi dash of t, that is our phi dash of t by psi dash of t. Now we need to find the second order derivative of dy dx. Second order derivative, second order derivative. That means d2y dx squared, and we can represent d dx of dy dx, correct? Now let's see. So d dx over the function of phi dash of t by psi dash of t, and look closely, this is a function of t. This fraction is a function of t. So we can write here d dt of phi dash of t by psi dash of t with dt dx. Okay, now let's move on to the next page. So there is a rule that d dx of u over v, that will be our that will be our v square u dash v minus u v dash. So d2y dx square will become our psi dash of t whole square by, that is our on your denominator. Now u dash is our phi dash of phi double dash of t, and v is our psi dash of t, okay, minus psi double dash of t with phi dash of t multiplied with 1 by phi dash of t. So it will become our psi dash of t whole cube on your numerator, that is our phi double dash of t psi dash of t minus psi double dash of t phi dash of t. Okay, now so phi of t is a function of y is a function of phi of t. So phi double dash of t means d2y dt square. That is our phi double dash of t. And dy dt is our phi dash of t. Similarly, psi dash of t is dx dt, and psi double dash of t is our d2x dt square. So d2y dx square is can be represented phi double dash of t, that is our d2y dt square. So d2y dt square multiplied with phi dash of t, that is our dx dt, minus psi double dash of t, that is our d2x dt square multiplied with dx dt over dx dt whole cube. This is our proof.